Please stand by. Emergency information will soon be issued. Ensure your device is audible. Please stand by. Emergency information will soon be issued. Ensure your device is audible. This is BBC Television from London. We have interrupted regular programming to bring you important information that your life may depend on. We have received information of an explosion at St Pancras railway station from the City of London Police. At approximately 4:25 p.m, an explosion within the station was reported just as the 4:25 service to Brighton was departing from Platform A. It is unknown whether this is one of many attacks or how severe the situation is. And because of that, you are advised to leave central London immediately. Staying in central London will endanger you and your loved ones. Do not use telephone services to inquire about loved ones. The emergency services will not have any knowledge on the condition of the injured. Telephone lines will also become flooded and you will be preventing emergency information from being relayed from the police. The City of London Police have requested for this broadcast to remain active so we can relay information as soon as we receive it. Stay tuned to this channel for more information as the situation develops.